Blank out, understanding this common English expression. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversations. The phrase is, blank out. If you've ever wondered what it means when someone says they blanked out, or are blanking out, then you're in the right place. We'll dive into the definition, use it in sentences, and help you understand how to use it correctly in your own English-speaking adventures. Blank out is a phrasal verb that can be used in a couple of different ways, but it generally refers to when a person temporarily loses their ability to think clearly or remember something. It can happen when you're trying to recall a fact during a test, or when you're in a stressful situation and you can't think of what to say next. The term, blank, here is used as an adjective to describe the mind as being empty or clear of thoughts, much like a blank piece of paper. So when you blank out, it's as though your mind has suddenly become empty. Let's put blank out into action with some examples. 1. During the interview, I was so nervous that I blanked out and forgot my own address. 2. He was about to win the spelling bee, but he blanked out on the last word. 3. She studied for weeks, but during the test, she just blanked out and couldn't remember the answers. In these sentences, blanked out is used to convey the idea of momentarily forgetting or being unable to think clearly. Sometimes it helps to understand a phrase by looking at synonyms. Here are a few synonyms for blank out: draw a blank, space out, lose one's train of thought, go mindless. Using these synonyms can add variety to your speech or writing while conveying a similar meaning. Now that we know what it means to blank out, here are some tips to prevent it from happening, especially in important situations. Take deep breaths to calm your nerves. Practice mindfulness to stay present in the moment. Prepare and practice thoroughly for any event or test. Get a good night's sleep before the big day. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning of the phrase, blank out, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, everyone blanks out now and then. It's a part of being human. Keep practicing your English, and you'll find that these little hiccups will become less frequent over time. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best on your language learning journey.